Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn and Travel with Shuchishmita. Today we will solve chapter 1D. Okay, so let's start this chapter. First question, you see exercise 1D. First question is simplify. Okay, so question is root 18 by 5 root 18 plus 3 root 72 minus 2 root of 162. Okay, so now we can write root 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So this is 3 root 2. Okay, so from this pair we have 3 and in square root there will be 2. So 5 also root 18 is 3 root 2 plus 3 72, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So from this pair we will have 2 and in this pair we will have 3. So we can write 2 into 3 and also square root of 2. Now minus 2 162, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So this will be 3. From this pair we will have 3 and in this pair we will have 3. So 9 minus 2 into 9 root 2. Now 3 root 2 by 5 into 3 15 root 2 plus 3 into 2 6 into 3 18 root 2, 2 into 9 18 root 2. Okay, so 3 root 2 by 18 root 2 minus 18 root 2 cancel, so by 15 root 2, root 2 cancel. Now 3 by 15, so 3 5s are 15, 1 by 5. Now question number 2, simplify square root of x square plus y square minus y by x minus x square minus y square divided by square root of x square minus y square plus x by square root of x square plus y square plus y. Okay, so we can write this x square plus y square minus y by x minus root over of x square minus y square. Now we change the division into multiplication. So here we can write this term will be in numerator and this term will be in denominator. So this is x square plus y square plus y by x square minus y square plus x. So now this is a minus b, y is b, this is a plus b, so we can write a square minus b square, x square plus y square square root of this is a square minus b square by, so this is a plus b, this is a minus b. Okay, so a plus b means a square minus square root of x square minus y square whole square. Now square root of x square plus y square whole square, we can write x square plus y square minus y square by x square minus square root of x square minus y square whole square will be x square minus y square. Okay, now y square minus y square cancel. Here you see x square by x square minus x square minus plus y square. So plus x square minus x square cancel. So x square by y square. Okay. Now question number 3. Evaluate correct to one place of decimal. If root 5 equals to 2.2 and root 10 equals to 3.2. So here expression is 5 by root 20 minus root 10. So evaluate correct to one place of decimal. If root 5 is 2.2, root 10 3.2, so expression this simplify. Now 5. So first we have to rationalization. So its conjugate is root 20 plus root 10. In denominator we also multiply root 20 plus root 10. Okay. So 5 root 20 plus root 10. Now this is a plus b, this is a minus b, so a square minus b square. Okay, so 5 root 20 plus root 10 by, so we can write root 20 square means 20 minus root 10 square is 10. So 5 root 20 plus root 10 by 20 minus 10 is 10. So 5 2s are 10. So we can write root 20 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are. So from this pair we have 2 root 5 plus root 10 have root 10 by 2. Okay, now we substitute the value of root 5 and root 10. Root 5 is 2.2 and root 10 is 3.2 by 2. So 2.2 into 2 is 4.4 plus 3.2 by 2. So this is 7.6 by 2. Okay, so 7.6 divided by 2 is 3 2s are 6. Now point in the quotient, so this is 16 3, sorry this is 2 not 3, 3 2 3s are 6, so 2 8 is 16, so 3.8. Now question number 4. If x equals to root 3 minus root 2, find, question number 1, x plus 1 by x, then x square by 1 plus x square, question number 3, x cube plus 1 by x cube. So first we have x equals to root 3 minus root 2. Now its reciprocal will be 1 by x, 1 by root 3 minus root 2. So here you have to rationalize the denominator. So root 3 plus root 2 in numerator, also we multiply root 3 plus root 2. So this is root 3 plus root 2. So a minus b, a plus b, this is root 3 square minus root 2 square. Root 3 plus root 2, so this is 3 minus root 2 square is 2. So root 3 plus root 2. Now first question, x plus 1 by x. So x is here root 3 minus root 2 and 1 by x is root 3 plus root 2. Okay, so root 3 minus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 2. Root 2 minus root 2 cancel. So root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3. Now question number 2, x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, so now we know x equals to root 3 minus root 2. So x square equals to root 3 minus root 2 whole square. Okay, so a minus b whole square, we know a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square root 3 square minus 2 into root 3 into root 2 plus b square root 2 square. Okay, root 3 square is 3 minus 2 root 6 plus 2. Okay, so this is 5 minus 2 root 6, and 1 by x square equals to root 3 plus root 2 whole square, root 2 whole square. So this is 3 plus 2 root 6 plus 2. So this is 5 plus 2 root 6. So x square, question number 2 is x square plus 1 by x square is, x square is 5 minus 2 root 6 and plus 1 by x square is 5 plus 2 root 6. So 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6 cancel. 5 plus 5 is 10. Now question number 3, x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, so we know x plus 1 by x whole cube, a plus b whole cube, we know a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a square b plus 3 into a b square. Okay, we know a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a square b plus 3 into a b square. Okay, so this is a cube plus b cube 1 by x cube plus 3 into a square x square b is 1 by x plus 3 into a b square is 1 by x square. So we have to find this term. So x plus 1 by x whole cube minus, this is x, so minus 3x. 3x will be in the left hand side, so we can write minus 3x, and this is also minus 3 by x equals to x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, so we know x plus 1 by x is 2 root 3. Okay, so 2 root 3 whole cube minus 3 into, if we take common 3, okay, so we will have in the bracket x plus 1 by x. Okay, so this is minus 3x and this is minus plus minus 3 by x. Okay, So this is x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, so 2 root 3 whole cube means 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, so this is 8. And root 3 cube, root 3 into root 3 into root 3, so root 3 into root 3, 3 into root 3 minus 3 into x plus 1 by x, we know 2 root 3 equals to x cube plus 1 by x cube. So this is 24 root 3 minus 3 into 2, 6 root 3 equals to x cube plus 1 by x cube. This is 18 root 3 equals to x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, now question number 4, x cube plus 1 by x cube minus 3 into x square plus 1 by x square, okay, plus x plus 1 by x. So we know x cube plus 1 by x cube, this term is 18 root 3 minus 3 into x square plus 1 by x square, we know 10. Okay, so this is 10 plus x plus 1 by x, we know x plus 1 by x is 2 root 3. Okay, so 18 root 3 minus 30 plus 2 root 3, so this is 20 root 3 minus 30. Okay, now question number 5, so that negative of irrational number is irrational number. So the negative of irrational number is irrational number. So now if we take root 2 minus root 2, okay, negative of any irrational number, root 2 is irrational number where root 2 is, sorry, here we have to show that root 2 is a irrational number. Okay, so let root 2 equals to a by b. Okay, so here a and b is whole number and b not equals to 0. Okay, so now here you see a equals to root 2b. Okay, now if we square both side, square on both side, so we get a square equals to 2b square. Okay, so here you see the here a square equals to 2b square, so a is here even number, so there is a factor of the b square is 2. Okay, so this is a is a square is even number, so a is also even number, a square is even number. Okay, so a is even number. Now let a equals to 2c. Okay, so now this is equation 1. Here c is whole number, Now we put from 1 we get a square, means we can write 2c square, okay, equals to 2b square. So 2 square is 4, c square equals to 2b square. So b square equals to 4c square divided by 2. 2 will be on the left hand side, so this will be 2. So this is 2c square. Okay, here also 2 is a factor of c square, so b equals to 2c square. Okay, so b square is a divisor, b square is another divisor 2, so b is even. Okay, hence we can write b square is even, so we can write b is even. So except 1 and this number, a and also b has common divisor, that is 2. Okay, so a and b has common divisor 2. Okay, so we know if root 2 is a rational number, so there will be no common divisor. Okay, a and b has no common divisor, but there is a conclusion. Okay, so ab has common divisor 2, so this is not a rational number. A by b is not rational number, is not rational number. So okay, so we can write here there is a contradiction. So this is a contradict of our assumption. Okay, so a by b is not rational. Sorry, a by b is not rational. We can write, we write here a by b is not rational, so we can write root 2 is not rational, so root 2 is irrational number. Hence minus root 2, negative of any irrational number, is, we can write minus 1 into root 2. So root 2 is irrational, so its multiplication with any number, okay, is irrational, so this is also irrational. Minus 1 is rational and root 2 is irrational, so its multiplication is irrational number. Now question number 2, product of non-zero rational number and irrational number is irrational number. Suppose let's take an example. 2 is rational number and root 3 is irrational number. Okay, so the product of non-zero rational number means not 0. Okay, so non-zero rational number and irrational number is 3. Here where 2 is rational number and root 3 is irrational number. Okay, its product will be irrational number. Its product, we have to show its product is irrational number. Okay, so 2 root 3, let 2 root 3 equals to a by b, where a and b is whole number and b not equals to 0. Okay, so now we can write root 3 equals to a by 2v. Okay, so we have to prove root 3 is a irrational number. We have to prove root 3 is irrational number. Okay, so the product of rational and any irrational number will be a irrational number. So first you see root 3 equals to a by 2v. Now square on both sides, so we get root 3 square is 3 equals to a square by 2b square, 2b square, this is 4b square. Okay, so a square equals to 4 into 3 12b square. Okay, so here you see 12 is even number. Okay, so a square, this implies a square is even number. Okay, so a is even number, that means a has many factor. Okay, except 1. So now let a equals to 2c. So now we put here in 1, so from 1 we substitute the value of a, so this is 2c square equals to 12b square. Okay, so this is 4c square equals to 12b square, so c square equals to 12 by 4b square, so this is 3b square. Okay, so we can write here so we can prove in another way. Okay, so here you see a square has a square, so a square has so we can write here this one, b square equals to a square by 12. Okay, so b square is divisible by 12, also b is divisible by 12. Okay, now we put this one, so here you see b square equals to c square by 3, so c square is divisible by 3, and also this implies c is divisible by 3. So here you see 12 means 3 into 4. So the factor of 12 is 3 and 4. Okay. Also here so sorry, a square, this is not b square, this is a square. A is divisible by 12, so a has factor 3 and 4. Okay. And also here you see b has factor 3, so AB has common factor, AB have common factor 3. Okay, we know for rational number there is no common factor, but here you see AB has common factor, so root 3 equals to a by 2v. Then AB have common factor 3, so AB we contradicts our assumption, so a by 2b is not rational number. Okay, so this contradicts of our assumption we assume that a by 2b is a rational number, that means root 3 is a rational number, so our assumption is wrong. This contradicts of our assumption that root 3 is rational number. So here root 3 is irrational number. Okay, so root 3 to root 3, the product of rational number and non-zero rational number and irrational number is irrational number, we have to show. Okay, so you have to show 2 root 3 is irrational. Here we also prove root 3 is a irrational, so the product of rational and irrational number is irrational. Okay, now question number 6. Draw a line segment of length root 5 centimeter. So draw a line segment of length root 5 centimeter. So first we have to draw a line segment AB. Now we construct a 90-degree angle, okay, at the point A. So here this is 60 degree, and from here from this point we draw this line, and also from here we draw this line and also this line. Okay, so this line. Okay, so from here we draw this line. Okay, now we draw a perpendicular line. So this is 90-degree angle. This angle is 90-degree. Okay, so now first root 5 we can write. Root 5 equals to square root of 2 square plus 1. 2 square means 4 plus 1, so this is root 5. So if we take root 5 is perpendicular, so perpendicular square we can write by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, we know perpendicular square equals to hypotenuse square minus base square. Okay, so perpendicular equals to square root of hypotenuse square minus b square. Okay, as we know hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square, so perpendicular square will be hypotenuse square minus base square. Okay, so now p is here root 5. Okay, now square root of hypotenuse square is 2 square minus base square is 1 square, sorry, plus 1 square. So here p is root 5. Okay, and base is 1. Now we take here hypotenuse is 2 centimeter. Okay, so hypotenuse, sorry, so there is a mistake, so we can write here this is hypotenuse. Okay, because hypotenuse is bigger than perpendicular and base, so we know hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So here you see hypotenuse is root 5. Okay, so equals to perpendicular means 2 square plus base square 1 square. Okay, so hypotenuse square equals to, we can write this one. Okay, so root 5 will be square root of 2 square plus 1 square. So hypotenuse is root 5 and perpendicular is here 2 and base is 1. Okay, so now we draw we take a length of 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. From here we cut this length 2 centimeter. Okay, now from here we cut root 2 centimeter, sorry, root 5 centimeter, that is hypotenuse. So we cut here. Okay, now we draw this line. Okay, so this is root 5 and this is 2 centimeter and this is also 1 centimeter. Okay, so now question number 2, draw a line segment of length root 3 centimeter. So now first root 3 equals to, we can write 2 square minus 1. Okay, so 2 is here hypotenuse and root 3 perpendicular, and base is here 1. Okay, we can write perpendicular root 3, and also we can write base is root 3, then perpendicular is 1. So now by Pythagoras theorem we can write hypotenuse equals to perpendicular plus base square. So perpendicular square equals to hypotenuse minus base square. So here perpendicular is root 3. Okay, so root 3 equals to square root of p equals to square root of hypotenuse square minus b square. So p is here root 3 and hypotenuse 2 square minus base is 1. Okay, so hypotenuse is here 2. Now we take a line segment AB. Okay, so first here you have to construct a 90-degree angle. So now we take this segment, and also from here we cut this point. Okay, this is 60, and from here we cut this, and from here we cut this and also this. Okay, now we draw a line. This is 90-degree angle. So okay, so the perpendicular is here root 3, so and base is 1. So first we cut root 3. This is root 3. Okay, from here we cut this point. This is hypotenuse, this is 2. Okay, so base is 1 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is root 3 centimeter. Okay, this is C and this is D. Now question number 8, root 8. Draw a line segment of root 8. Okay, draw a line segment of root 8 centimeter. So root 8 we can write here square root of 3 square minus 1. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem by Pythagoras theorem we know hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So perpendicular square equals to hypotenuse square plus base square, minus base square. Okay, so P equals to perpendicular equals to square root of hypotenuse square minus b square. So P is here root 8 equals to square root of hypotenuse 3 square minus base is 1 square. So here P is root 8 and hypotenuse is 3 and base is 1. Okay, so first we have to draw a line segment AB. Okay, now we have to construct a 90-degree angle. So now we cut here, also from here we cut this, from here we cut this one, from here we cut this one, and from here we cut this one. So this is the 90-degree angle. Okay, so now here perpendicular is root 8, so we cut here. This is root 8 centimeter. From this point to this point is root 8 centimeter, and from this point we cut here, so this is hypotenuse 3 centimeter. Okay, now base will be 1 centimeter.